Hello. Let's draw a Christmas kitty, a kitty cat wearing a Christmas hat. Grab yourself a paper, a Sharpie, black Sharpie, preferably, or a black marker, and go like that. And go like that. That's one ear. And go like that. That's the top of the head. That's the other ear. You draw the fluffy cheeks. That's one cheek. Here's the other cheek. Go like that. And connect the bottom of the face like that. Inside of one ear. Another triangle for the inside of the other ear. Hey, Tony. Hey, Tony Bear. One eye, the half circle. The other eye is a half circle with a straight line underneath. What, Tone? What is it, boy? What is it? You can go outside if you want. You can go outside if you want. Make those eyes a little darker. Hi, Bear. A little heart for the nose. And two little curved lines coming out of the bottom of the nose for the mouth. And then you draw the whiskers. Draw the other side of the face as whiskers. Inside of the eye. A circle for the inside of the other eye. Kind of showing that there's like light reflecting off of the cat's eyes by making two little circles inside the pupil like that. Gives it a cute big eyeball look. I'm going to draw a Santa hat like this, like that. Make that curve a little better. Make the top of the hat real simple. That's just that little snowball cap on top of the hat. Alright, now draw a line like that, coming down to this is a scarf that he's going to be wearing, a red scarf. Match his hat. Go like that. He's going to be holding this Christmas cookie, Christmas tree cookie. Scarf comes around like that. Make a line like that, a line like that. That's where the scarf hangs down. That's one side of the body. That's the other side of the scarf hanging down. This is going to be his hand gripping the cookie. Go like that. Make his toes. Simple lines. Same thing on the other side. Like that. And like that. Finish this cookie. I think that's about where it would be.
You think?
I got kitty cats all over the place. Bottom of the tree. Down to the stem. He's very happy to be showing this Christmas cookie that he made or received. Or is about to give as a gift. I think it's about time to color the kitty in. Color the hat red, the tree green. My wife wants me to make the eyes yellow because it matches her old cat. Yellow-eyed, white June puff. A Persian kitty cat. So these are the colors I'm going with. Pink for the ears and the nose, green for the tree, red for the hat and the scarf, and blue and yellow and all these colors for the Christmas tree decorations. Let's go.
Feliz Navidad, Feliz Navidad, Feliz Navidad, prospero odio felicidad. Feliz Navidad, Feliz Navidad, Feliz Navidad, prospero odio felicidad. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas from the bottom of my heart. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas from the bottom of my heart. Feliz Navidad, Feliz Navidad, Feliz Navidad, prospero odio felicidad. Feliz Navidad, Feliz Navidad, Feliz Navidad, prospero odio felicidad. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas from the bottom of my heart. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas from the bottom of my heart. Jingle, 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 jingle all the